Over the last 4 modules, we've looked at how we can calculate the cost of capital for the 3 main components of a firm's capital structure, namely debt, preference shares, and ordinary shares. In this module, we will bring together those different components of the capital structure and calculate the total weighted average cost of capital. We take the cost of ordinary shares multiplied by the weight of ordinary shares in the total capital structure, plus the cost of preference shares times the weighting of preference shares, plus the before tax cost of debt times 1 minus the corporate tax rate times the weighting of debt in the capital structure. This table shows the before tax cost of capital and market value for each component of a firm's capital structure. If the corporate tax rate is 30%, what is the firm's weighted average cost of capital? Before we can work out the weighting of each component of the capital structure, we need to calculate the total market value of all of the components, which in this case is $25 million. Let's break down this calculation step by step. The cost of ordinary shares is 14%, or 0.14, and the weighting of ordinary shares in the capital structure is 13 divided by 25. The cost of preference shares is 5.25%, or 0.0525, and the weighting is 2 over 25. The before tax cost of debt is 3.4%, or 0.034. The corporate tax rate is 30%, or 0.3, and the weighting of debt is 10 over 25, giving us a weighted average cost of capital of 8.65%.